how to turn on or off save videos on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off enable others to save your videos on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app and now go to click on me at the bottom to go to your profile and click on your video. Now all you need to do is click on those 3 points and you gonna find this list. Scroll over, you're gonna find permission, and here you have enable others to save this post. You can turn off or on this option, whatever you want. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.